Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best ceramic tree star is probably one of the most iconic and cherished ornaments for any holiday enthusiast, instantly evoking a sense of nostalgia and festive cheer that defines the classic Christmas spirit, making it an essential addition to your seasonal decor collection. Number 5. Ceramic Christmas Tree Replacement Lights. Get everything you need with this value kit. It includes 117 multicolor twisted bulbs in various colors and 5 large topper stars in different shapes and colors. These are perfect accessories for your ceramic Christmas trees. The bulbs measure 11/16 inches in height and 7/16 inches in width. The stem is 3/8 inches long with a 3/16-inch diameter, ensuring a great fit. Choose from 3 distinct topper styles: the Star of Bethlehem, a pentagram top, or a red 5-pointed star. Each vary slightly in height but all feature a 3/16-inch diameter stem. Crafted from crystal clear material, these lights are ideal for replacing lost toppers or bulbs. They are perfect for giving your cherished ceramic tree a fresh, vibrant look. Select your favorite lucky colors and bring a touch of retro charm to your holiday decor. These charming lights will create a wonderful and warm festive atmosphere for you to enjoy. What we like. This kit offers a generous amount of multicolor bulbs and stars, perfect for a full tree refresh. If you're looking to replace lost pieces or give your vintage ceramic tree a vibrant new look with a wide array of colors, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The star is a perfect fit for my vintage ceramic tree. It arrived quickly and was exactly as described. The star lights up beautifully and adds a festive touch to the tree. Number 4. 12 bright white LED Moravian Star Tree Topper. Introducing our stunning 12-inch Moravian star, designed to bring a warm, inviting glow to your home. Its bright white LED light is perfect for adding a festive touch. This versatile star can be used as a captivating tree topper or a beautiful hanging light. It's designed to withstand the elements, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor decoration. Setting up this elegant 3D star is a breeze with its simple twist and lock design. Enjoy its dazzling presence throughout the holidays and beyond. While it shines brightly for Christmas, its timeless design makes it a wonderful addition to any celebration, from festive holidays to elegant weddings and ballroom events. Crafted for durability, this water-resistant star is built to last through all seasons and weather conditions. Its robust construction ensures it remains a beautiful focal point year after year. Elevate your holiday decor with this eye-catching star. It perfectly complements other festive lights and decorations, creating a magical atmosphere in any space. What we like. This is a versatile option that can serve as both a stunning tree topper and an outdoor hanging light. If you need a durable, bright, and weather-resistant star for your holiday decor, both indoors and out, this illuminated Moravian star is ideal. What people say. The star is a perfect fit for my vintage ceramic tree. It lights up beautifully and adds a festive glow to the tree. The star is made of durable plastic and seems like it will last for many holidays. Number 3. 137 PCS Ceramic Christmas Tree Replacement Bulbs and Toppers. This value kit includes 137 pieces of multicolor bird bulbs and 5 large topper stars. They are perfect accessories for decorating your ceramic Christmas trees. The bulbs are designed with specific dimensions for a perfect fit. Their stems are also sized to easily insert into your tree. Choose from a transparent angel or star toppers in various shapes and colors. These add a beautiful finishing touch to your holiday display. Made from crystal clear PMMA material with 92% light transmittance, these replacements are ideal for lost bulbs or those taken by pets. Select your favorite colored birds and let them adorn your ceramic tree. The dazzling lights they create will bring a warm holiday atmosphere to your home. These accessories are designed for easy attachment. Simply place the bulbs and toppers onto your ceramic tree for an instant festive upgrade. What we like. This kit stands out with its charming bird-shaped bulbs and a good variety of colors. If you appreciate whimsical designs and want to add a unique, cozy touch to your ceramic tree, these cute bird lights will create a warm, festive atmosphere. What people say. The star is a perfect fit for my vintage ceramic tree. It lights up beautifully and adds a festive glow to my Christmas decor. The quality of the star is excellent, and it looks just like the original. Number 2. Casafield Ceramic Christmas Tree Replacement Lights. Bring your cherished ceramic Christmas tree back to life with our complete set of replacement lights and star toppers. This kit provides everything you need to make it shine bright again. You'll receive 108 medium twist bulbs in 8 dazzling colors, plus 3 star toppers. Mix and match to create 3 distinct festive looks for your holiday display. These bulbs and stars are crafted with the traditional design in mind. They are designed to fit most nostalgic tabletop ceramic Christmas trees, ensuring a perfect refresh. Our medium twist bulbs and star toppers are universally sized. They are compatible with most vintage ceramic trees, making replacements simple and easy. Beyond just replacements, these vibrant pieces are perfect for your holiday craft projects. Easily add a festive touch to any creation with your favorite craft glues. With enough bulbs and toppers to refresh an entire 15-inch tree, you can easily replace lost or broken pieces. Give your treasured tree a brand new festive appearance. What we like. With 108 bulbs and 3 star toppers in traditional shapes and colors, this set is designed for a perfect refresh. If you have a standard-size nostalgic ceramic tree and want to restore its classic look with precisely molded, traditional pieces, this kit is a great fit. What people say. The star fits perfectly on top of my vintage ceramic tree. It's a great replacement for the original star that was lost. The star is made of clear plastic and lights up beautifully when the tree is on. Number 1. 120 PCS Ceramic Christmas Tree Replacement Bulbs. Brighten your holiday with a dazzling array of colors. This set includes 120 flame-shaped bulbs, plus star ornaments for a festive touch. Easily replace lost lights on your ceramic Christmas tree. You can also use them to create a unique, personalized look for your holiday decor. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, these lights are built to last. They are non-toxic, odorless, and resistant to rust and breakage. Getting your tree sparkling is a breeze. The bulbs and star toppers easily insert into the lamp holders, allowing for quick and convenient changes. Made with strong, high-quality plastic, these lights are designed for repeated use. Enjoy a beautiful holiday display while being kind to the environment. What we like. This set provides a large quantity of flame-shaped bulbs and includes both 5-pointed and 7-pointed stars for variety. If you're looking for durable, reusable bulbs to recreate a unique style for your ceramic tree and want to make an environmentally conscious choice, this pack is a solid option. What people say. The star is a perfect fit for my vintage ceramic tree. It lights up beautifully and adds a festive touch to the tree. The quality is excellent, and it looks just like the original star. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.